I'm a banana peel. Rub my white inside part on your teeth. My magnesium lifts surface stains gently without damaging your enamel. I'm crushed eggshell. Don't throw me away. I am pure calcium. Mix me in your toothpaste to remineralize enamel and fill in micro cracks. I'm licorice root, not the candy. Chew my dried stick to fight decay. I kill the specific bacteria that digs holes in your teeth. I'm sesame seeds. Chew a spoonful of us to create a scrub. We scour away the hard tartar buildup that your floss missed.
I'm aloe vera gel. Rub me on mouth ulcers or cuts. I create a soothing slime layer that heals the wound overnight. I'm strawberry. Mash me up and scrub. My malic acid acts like a natural bleach that dissolves coffee stains and makes your smile shine.
I'm a neem stick. Chew my bark to make a brush. I release natural oils that destroy the plaque colonies that toothpaste can't reach. I'm activated charcoal. Dip your wet brush in me. I look black, but I act like a magnet that pulls deep yellow stains right off your enamel.